I've got in the bonus. I'm betting 2 cents, and I've still got 3 spins left. So let's see what happens. Down to 2 spots, 2 spins. Come on, get one in the middle. There we go. There's only 2 left. The grand is 15,000. It'd be a nice starter kit. This is. Oh, whoa! Now we're down to 1 space left for 15,171. That would be pretty cool. Let's see. Come on. I don't even see a coin going by there, but you never know. Last shot. Well, it was a fun try. It's a nice little hit. Perfect. There you go. Sahara Lightning Link. Here at Rain Rock Casino in YREKA, California, the Karuk Indian tribe. So thanks for watching, everybody. And if you like what you see, I'm pretty sure if you subscribe to my channel, the next time you go to the casino, you're going to win a jackpot.